As a dentist, I've seen some bad implants, not at Advanced Care Dentistry.
This is Cheryl, after replacing her uncomfortable, unstable plastic denture implants with new, natural, high-quality implants at Advanced Care Dentistry. So what's the biggest difference in her mouth?
No plastic.
No plastic. So nice to not have my mouth full of plastic. In that they feel so real. And it's just, it's really going to be life-changing. I'm going to have to learn how to smile again.
Several million Americans have dentures or they have implants supported with dentures in their mouth. And all this plastic is still present, which traps food, which stains, discolors. It's uncomfortable. A lot of patients just get used to it and they don't understand that there's another option, there's another choice. And that would be place 2 more implants, and then you can make 3 bridges on top, 3 bridges on the bottom, and completely eliminate the plastic and the porcelain.
So I feel like I've been kind of released from that prison, of all that stuff in my mouth. And the movement from the lower one, it just, it's huge.
You won't see Dr. Markson installing plastic dentures in the patient's mouths. Instead, these new porcelain implants grow naturally out of gum tissue and bone that's been rejuvenated through stem cell therapy.
Because we want the best cosmetic effect, we want the best function, we use the highest quality porcelain, we use ankylose implants, which are the strongest, the best implants.
Another Advanced Care advantage, your implants are secured at 6 critical spots in your mouth. Most competitors use only 4.
When the person smiles, all you see are beautiful porcelain teeth.
Now you've got a better choice in implants.
What you put in your mouth matters. I'm talking about the materials used in some implants. Specifically, I'm talking about plastic parts that loosen over time. Some competitors call their product all on 4, but a more honest name would be all that plastic on 4 implants. For the same cost, Advanced Care Dentistry adds 2 more implants per arch, and these are clearly the best-in-class implants with no plastic. Please click the link below and see how we can improve your smile and make your life more comfortable. There's no better time to get the perfect smile for the best years of your life. Schedule an appointment today so that we can help. The wrong choice can mean years of discomfort and disappointment. Implants placed in non-strategic locations are fused to the bone permanently. Don't make the wrong choice when it comes to your mouth. Please click the link below for the best choice before it's too late.